Coach, your players, especially Sani Mohammed, 2 assists from him. Very fantastic player. How important was he in this game for Asofo?
You are discovering him. But me, I see him 1, 2, 3 things are taking. That's why I maintain him in the game. It's very important for my dispositive. And our system is very important for us if we can control the ball, dribbling the ball. I think he's a young boy. He's trying to understand the high-level game. But I think in the future he can deliver more than that. He get 2 assists, more than 2 assists, 2 assists and 1 bar. I think the next time he can do well if he get a recovery quickly because he has small injury. We are going to looking forward for him. But to be frank, he's a very nice player.
Thank you very much, Coach.
Anthony Coach Watara and more training Kano or no and say yes 2 wins and a crowd of folk Omenia out of 6 matches or Mabo. A good but only eligibility or show me say Sani Mohammed a very fine player Sana Raul Okano na Okoswa Nessa so or more focused a very fine player.
Yes, yes. He was 2 assists on a man. And has Foucault hit by in the first half. Or no hit is Aban, you know. Or a good player there, but here coaching. Or a very, very young. And has Foucault, I mean, Chair has Foucault France, and say a true justify, and a has Foucault as Abraham TV. And the way or a player we are almost has Foucault a brain hopa because a card. And Cabrante Nico Midiama and I have to focus any on almost sign. A brilliant player, and he say Watara as sporting and he feels he say he's one player or the boy has folk now a keeper now is good, but we hear coaching and I believe that if he gets the good coaching now, a beboano. And he I mean to men no so na me din kan ka first goal no ho asem. So anytime they are has fullbacks, no more attacker eboa. After say has full catch a goal and why? Has full for net to die. I won't have problem kaka because my stadium was has full in the second half for me I'm to for me better. But and then now after say almost share goal, they almost to die kaka. And they are be a has full find it. And the young apostle for who bag gave me a point in the second half. And at once, I concede goal. But after some concede goal, brilliant response. Just after some kicking ball, I'm pass a ball now, and I'm take and again, Sani, any ball in the 18-yard box or turnable. That's when I say, decision comes to play. When you have take the right decision, it results in a goal or sometimes even a clear cut chance. It will now be 2 players, 2 defenders. No, to me a passable now. Hamza Isa, it to me a cambono at Watnam. And a great performance on the part of Sani, Hamza Isa, and all the lads of Hasufuk.
Raul, when you look at na yunya a opinion of Bekasa, a young apostles.
Okay.
A technical director. And also, so, Yentie, and also, Nunu Ensen, say, heart, it me about Omukuma, or more about the Eshomo.
Coach, a painful defeat. Commiserations.
Well, it's hard luck. What I say is hard luck. You know, you see by yourself how my boys deliver on the field. You know, we sack them so many ways to win, but we don't know what to say. It's hard luck. So we'll go back and correct ourselves. As we are going to Accra Lions, we'll go and win and come back to it.
Coach, even though it's a defeat, that was a fantastic goal from Prempeh. From where you were, how did you feel and how did you see that goal?
In fact, it's one of the best goals. If CNN can cover this one, can give him record, and they write it in the Guinness Book of Records, because where he's coming from and where he get to score is very marvelous. So I think it's one of the best. Yeah, I think if they nominate this goal to one of the best goals in the league, I think it will be very, very, very important. Yeah.
Coach, this is a home defeat. Your next game, how do you approach it? How do you prepare? How do you sack the players to get ready for that?
Yeah, in football, we have 3 things. We have draw, lose, and win. So as we are playing home, you see the way the boys deliver. So we sack them, we prepare them, their mind, and we go back to the drawing board, then correct our mistake to go into the next game away to bring a point in Week6.
Lastly, the defeat is a very painful one for the fans and everyone. What do you tell them, the fans?
I'm really very happy for Week6 supporters. What I will say to them, I won't say sorry, but it's very painful. So as they have love for team, we will also tell them they should continue to help the team or love the team. We will go to Accra and bring points.
Thank you very much, coach.
TFE, technical director from Young Apostles, and also an ordinance to Jano, or say, we share the boys need to deliver. It's unfortunate, say, hearts, 18 ever show more. They are going back to the drawing board, psych the players up. Now, on the next game, on the Lions, on the say, on the bring up point, Eddie Abefie.
Yes, I agree with their technical director and the kind. And also, Accra Lions this season, some performance and want to write home about. So, I wouldn't be surprised if Young Apostle will come to Accra and come and beat them. I wouldn't be surprised. It is possible. Because I'm sure Young Apostle for no ever in the league this season. Now, Accra Lions performance, I wouldn't be surprised. Young Apostle able to have a show more Accra. So it's possible. And go now, you can once and why? If you're league, you know, can marketing you and broadcast, you know, nice pictures, really good. This goal can be all. It's possible say when this goal as Puskas Award goal because baby Audina our board the bicycle kick or the share goal, a brilliant technique from the chap and. Yambon about so near that goal. It's sad say after so or share that goal and has for 30 years. So we are not going to talk much about the goal, but again, better luck next time to Young Apostle and senior Medin Kanka, you know, they are one team on the high Adjini. But one thing I was saying I'm working on how they play at home, how they let the fans you know get to them. Because I feel say if Sankomunya abotre ebo moboa anka fans no reaction outside you know enko into them because I get into them say after some share go they felt say they have arrived and the celebration alone should say they feel say they will win the match and sometimes when you are playing against the big gangs now you feel that way it goes down to hurt you and then a house at the punish you maybe they won't get it easy and I say has to focus punish you maybe the next time they will learn from it and playing in subsequent matches, they can perform better. But any team you ever call in Chihoron, NY should be careful because grounds be from what I've seen in this match, Obeha teams aside intimidation, performance wise, Obeha teams so Yambo has to focus about. So I'm happy for Coach Watara. Say gradually, OTA their fans and if se fans no I'm not saying so munya abotre but if se fans ne benya abotre man there I believe House of Folk will perform better and give good account of themselves because a new team and all building and I believe they will come good.
Raul believe Accra Heart of Folk per this performance they will come good.
Now say you create chances near to me I think say are very bad. So I'm make sure some don't bet me. Next match no. Our next match is against Asofoka. Wait me call a Young Apostles or Week6. I question no by Asofoka question by 2-1. It's in a very difficult idea Matty man in the dream set because in the Asofoka almost start air gather momentum no more redeem kakra almost said they be bet me after 3 points. But against Timani Dindi any assembly can Asofoka ne team it say Young Apostles kobobo nanka kasa bebre but because of say omuntu to omunye me any results omunya recent times ntinama who ba be call for who be bibia na wo the house folk bem into the picture pena fe there why they step because house folk to meet now na ba se ka hye no otimi call na lion heart of lions ahye no no etimi it na as a results no mo gather na enye encouraging but all the same no we make sure say at least newly promoted side no or the not to the base because the first time the last time about newly promoted side was against Baseke Holy Stars or shining by 1-0. Now an opportunity Abasa at least on Sanko share another newly promoted side against Young Apostles or Boase Bema Kumasi to Kumasi Asante Kotoko tough time. So I think it's a very good result side the man because so wait me share team and the young apostles. So na me can in the first half say anka or she go no 58 FA quad and wait ma maintain is 1-0 lead no. But also go on the bantam no one say young apostles for it me utilize it me equalize it.
Equalize it. Hamza is also
share winning goal near the moment. So I think it's a very good result. Say for young because I also folk team na a young team I say omuni na ultimu some more prospects no more talent na on bet media excel club there but I say House of Folk supporters enya time on my own say you enchen na on up to match the match in Bechem United match na we win now what now say against a young apostles ansana wait me am 1% week in week out in na no who kwa away now for 5 points who go home now for 3 points who kwa away now for 1 point who go home now for 3 points and now match is be on match against young apostles mo there at least I to make sure so we wait my for 3 points in there. I think it's a very good result said the team and the House of Folk or make sure say that what was when winning ways ni so on continue because in the next match no obekwa kaswa astrotef e wo tuba no only team and the dreams FC akwa boss a match no